Welcome to an introduction to accounting and to Sage Line 50. In this podcast we are going to show how we record receipts from customers. We just changed the view on this screen to that of the customers. We can see here we have a list of our customers. Here. And we also have a list of the balances, how much they owe us, and here we have their credit limits. So to receive payments we go to the bank, and then if we look along the ribbon at the top we have new, record, etc., and we're going to move along till we come to customer, and at this point we're going to click on that. Just check here of course that we've got the right bank account, which is the bank current account. So we click on customer and we have a screen, and it's here that we do our recording of receipts. You can see we've confirmed here the bank account, what the balance is in the bank, the date, and so on. So we're going to look for our first account, and our first account is going to be Gopher Cameras. And if we have a look here we can see that Gopher Cameras owe one amount. They have a £240 invoice, where we can see SI for invoice. SC means it's a sales credit, so they have 24. Okay, let's see then what happens here. If we go to pay in full, you can see it takes the £240 and says we've received 240, and it moves us to the credit note. Now if I move it to the credit note and click on pay in full, then what happens is that it now deducts the credit, so we now have 216. So we have received £216, which effectively is the Gopher account paying 240 less the credit note of the £24. So we're going to save that one. So that's the Gopher one recorded. Similarly with the Haslam account, we can pull up the details there, and we can see that the Haslam account shows an opening balance and it shows two further invoices at that point. Let's assume that Mr. Haslam only in fact is going to pay the first one. So this is a part payment, so we've clicked on pay in full for that first one, and we're going to save that one, and that of course still leaves the balance on the other two for him. So we just pull in some more, Miss Parginter. Okay, we can see here that she has an opening balance of 650, an invoice of £14.40, and a credit note for £14.40. So if we pay in full here for all three of these, we should be left with just the 650, because the other two are going to balance each other out. So we will go to pay in full there, pay in full there, pay in full there, and we have left with, down here you can see, just the £650. So we will save that one. And we'll do just one more. We will go to, what have we got at the end? Mrs. Poppy. Okay. And we will receive a, what's Mrs. Poppy got? She has 3 invoices and a credit note. So let's receive a part payment from Mrs. Poppy. We'll say that she just wants to pay off the first one, which is for £100. And we'll save that. And that then is how we record our receipts from customers. You can see our bank balance has gone up rather healthily now, and you can see if we go back to our customers, Gopher Cameras have been cleared out, they no longer owe us any, we've received all the money from them, and because the other accounts have gone down accordingly. So that is the receipt of money from customers.